the future becomes reality. Recently, self-driving Tesla robotaxis, disguised as Model Y crossovers, have been spotted on public roads in the United States. While such futuristic modes of transportation are already among us, automotive manufacturers have historically been constrained by significant regulatory hurdles. However, the situation is now rapidly changing. The U.S. Department of Transportation has officially announced a comprehensive overhaul of its approval process for fully autonomous vehicles. This monumental shift signals the imminent arrival of a new era, where vehicles without steering wheels, pedals, mirrors, or human drivers will navigate American roads. Limitations of existing regulations and stifled innovation. Previously, for an automotive manufacturer to sell vehicles that did not meet all traditional federal motor vehicle safety standards, they could only do so through the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration's Part 555 Exemption program, which capped approvals at a mere 2,500 vehicles per year. The core issue with this system was its excessively slow and opaque approval process, frequently leaving innovative companies in a state of limbo for years. Indeed, several companies, including General Motors' Cruise Origin, faced prolonged review delays, leading some to abandon or significantly scale autonomous vehicle initiatives. This bottleneck effectively stifled the rapid development and deployment of cutting-edge AV technology. The core of the reform's speed, predictability, and flexibility. U.S. Secretary of Transportation justifiably criticized the previous system, stating, "The Part 555 exemption process has been rightly criticized for taking years, tying up developers in unnecessary regulations, and making it difficult to keep pace with the latest technology. The essence of this reform is to dramatically streamline the approval process, making the entire exemption system faster and more predictable, thereby allowing regulatory bodies to keep pace with the rapidly evolving autonomous driving technology." The key aspects of this comprehensive reform include internal process innovation. NHTSA. NHTSA will undertake a complete overhaul of its internal procedures. This includes drastically shortening review periods, significantly increasing transparency throughout the application process, and enhancing communication channels with applicants to provide clearer guidance and expedite resolutions. Provision of clearer guidelines. The agency will provide more explicit and comprehensive guidance to applying companies regarding the necessary preparations and documentation required in advance. This aims to minimize unnecessary requests for additional information and reduce delays caused by unclear requirements. Adoption of a flexible oversight model. A more agile and flexible oversight framework will be implemented, enabling regulations to be continuously adjusted and updated in real time, to align with the rapid advancements in autonomous vehicle technology. This adaptive approach will replace rigid, static policies. Safety is not compromised. Crucially, this regulatory easing does not imply a relaxation of safety standards. Companies will still be required to unequivocally demonstrate that their autonomous vehicles maintain an equivalent or superior level of safety compared to conventional human-driven vehicles. Furthermore, NHTSA retains the authority to continuously monitor vehicle performance over time and adjust regulations as necessary. This signifies a shift from rigid, uniform policies to continuous, science-based oversight that is responsive to technological evolution, ensuring that safety remains paramount. U.S. at the forefront of global autonomous driving competition. This sweeping regulatory reform unequivocally signals the United States' determination to lead autonomous vehicle innovation globally, ensuring it does not fall behind competing nations like China. U.S. Secretary of Transportation emphasized, "Now the United States will be at the center of innovation," underscoring the commitment to breaking down regulatory barriers and ushering in a new era that simultaneously pursues both safety and innovation. This proactive stance is designed to foster a robust ecosystem for AV development and deployment within the U.S. Conclusion: The future of autonomous vehicles is no longer a distant dream, it is rapidly becoming a tangible reality. The U.S. Department of Transportation's extensive regulatory overhaul represents a pivotal turning point, simultaneously accelerating innovation and maintaining a steadfast commitment to safety. This transformative shift is poised to fundamentally alter the paradigm of the automotive industry. We will soon witness a new form of transportation, driverless vehicles navigating our roads, marking a significant advancement in personal mobility and logistics.